When we sit to meditate, we are looking after ourselves in ways that might not at first seem obvious. The benefits of meditation are numerous and varied, and supported by science. Many people start meditating to manage stress, reduce anxiety, and to cultivate peace of mind. But there are thousands of studies documenting other less-known mindfulness meditation benefits, which can have a positive impact on mental, physical, and emotional health. Before proceeding, be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated about our uploads. Mental health benefits of meditation. Most people are likely familiar with the positive side effects of meditation associated with mental health: increased awareness, clarity, compassion, and a sense of calm. Improved focus is another benefit commonly associated with meditation. In fact, one study showed that 4 weeks of using the Headspace app can increase focus by 14%, while another showed that just a single session cuts mind wandering by 22%. But there are even more ways meditation can benefit the mind. In a study that did not use the Headspace app, researchers from Johns Hopkins University found general meditation programs helped ease psychological symptoms of depression, anxiety, and pain related to stress. A published study conducted at Google and Roche, in which employees used Headspace for 8 weeks, had similar results. Participants reported a 46% reduction in depression and a 31% reduction in anxiety. Physical benefits of meditation. To appreciate the profound physical benefits of meditation, it's important to understand how chronic stress can wreak havoc on the body. Stress stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, causing a surge of natural stress hormones, think epinephrine and cortisol, in the bloodstream, which can negatively affect the body. For example, too much epinephrine, aka adrenaline, can increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Too much cortisol can increase blood sugar levels, suppress the immune system, and constrict blood vessels. Eventually, chronic spikes in stress hormones can lead to an increase in blood pressure, heart rate, and cholesterol levels, disrupting immunity, energy levels, and sleep. When the body and mind are relaxed, however, whether through meditation practice or other techniques, the parasympathetic nervous system is stimulated, causing the body to stop releasing stress hormones. Many people who meditate regularly have learned to condition their body to relax on demand, and according to research, can more effectively manage stress. According to research from the University of California, Davis, people who use generalized meditations programs, not specifically Headspace, have lower levels of cortisol. A 2018 study found that medical students who used Headspace for just 10 days had a 12% decrease in stress, and a separate study found that people who used Headspace for 30 days reduced stress by a third. Emotional benefits of meditation. The brain is the part of the body where meditation can really work its magic. It's certainly true that we become more capable of coping with negative emotions when we meditate and practice viewing heightened emotions as passing states. But one of the most profound advantages of meditation is that it can not only change our mindset and perspective, it can also physically alter our brains, rewiring them toward more positive thoughts and emotions. Here's how it works. Meditation can decrease negative neurological connections to the medial prefrontal cortex, or the me center of the brain, dampening traits such as fear, stress, and anxiety. Alternatively, it also builds new positive neurological connections to the parts of the brain responsible for promoting traits like focus and decision-making. Moreover, research shows that gray matter, the area of the brain responsible for emotional regulation, planning, and problem-solving, as well as the cortical thickness responsible for learning and memory, both increase with regular meditation practice. Alternatively, the amygdala, which regulates how we feel stress, fear, and anxiety, responds to meditation by shrinking. Research confirms that this rewiring of the brain through meditation can change it for the better. In one study, participants who meditated with the Headspace app for 3 weeks experienced a 57% reduction in aggression and reactivity to negative feedback. In another, 10 days of Headspace reduced participants' irritability by 27%. Helps to generate kindness. Some kinds of meditation can create more positive feelings and actions towards yourself and towards others. Metta is a kind of meditation that also goes by the name loving-kindness meditation. It starts with developing kind feelings and thoughts toward yourself. People can learn to extend these kinds of thoughts and feelings to others through practice. It is taught to extend to friends, acquaintances, and ultimately, enemies. Results of 22 studies of this kind of meditation showed that it has the ability to increase people's compassion towards themselves and others. That wraps up the video. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe to stay notified about our uploads.